Welcome to the WFSU FM Pledge Drive. We're glad that you're here to support public radio, and we thank you for sharing your valuable time with us. This short video will help prepare you to answer member calls with confidence. Please begin by taking a moment to sign in, make a name tag, and sign a confidentiality form. If you would like to review the pledge form portion of the training video again before your shift, we have a training area set up in a studio just around the corner. Otherwise, enter the pledge room straight ahead on your left. During your shift, make yourself comfortable and help yourself to drinks and snacks. We have soft drinks and bottled water in the mini fridge outside of the studio. You'll be working in the radio studio while other volunteers are on air asking for pledges. While in the studio, you're welcome to talk to fellow volunteers and enjoy their company, but please remember, you can be heard over the airwaves when the on-air light is lit, so keep your voices low. You play an important part in our pledge drive, answering calls from our members and recording their pledge using a simple web form. Each volunteer station is equipped with a phone, headset, and a laptop with a mouse. Let's start with the phone. Please wear your headset at all times while you're sitting at your station so you're prepared when the phone rings. Answer the phone with,
"Thank you for calling WFSU. Would you like to make a one-time donation or ongoing monthly payments?"
You do not have to press any of the line buttons when you're ready to answer a call. Simply lift the receiver from the telephone base and set it on the table, and begin talking into your headset's microphone. Make sure that you do not place the receiver right back on the base or you will hang up on the caller. The gray knob controls the headset volume. If you need to place a call on hold, please use the mute button. This will mute your microphone and allow you to ask a question. Once you are finished with the call, make sure to replace the receiver on the phone base. If you do not, you may not hear the phone ringing and we will miss valuable calls. Above all, take your time and relax, be friendly, and remember, there will always be a staff member in the studio to assist you if you have questions.
This portion of the video will walk you through the pledge form itself. Begin your shift by entering your first and last name and clicking the Initiate a Pledge button. This will open the online donation form. Your script is on the form in red. Begin by asking, would you like to make a one-time donation or ongoing monthly payments? If the caller wants to know more about ongoing monthly payments, also known as our sustaining membership, read the About Sustaining Member Program section. Next, ask, how would you like to pay your pledge, and choose from one of the options listed. One-time payment, by credit card, send bill, ongoing monthly payment by credit card, or payroll deduction. If the caller elects payroll deduction, please ask for the donor's State of Florida agency or FSU department. Note that credit card numbers are entered and processed on a secure site at the end of the pledge form. Next, ask, how much would you like to donate today? Select the total annual pledge amount. So for example, if the caller is pledging $10 per month, click the Other Amount option and type in $120. If the ongoing monthly method of payment has been selected, the payment amount will populate below the amount options. Please confirm that the payment amount listed is correct, as this is the amount that will charge on the credit card. Donations of $70 or more will receive the WFSU regular member card. Donations of $150 or more will receive the WFSU Gold member card. The member card is a benefits program that offers 2-for-1 dining and other discounts at area and online retailers. It is sent automatically to members donating at the $70 or more or $150 or more level. Only select a thank you gift if one is requested by the caller. Do not ask if they would like one. Our on-air hosts are encouraging callers to ask about thank you gifts if they are interested. Please select one thank you gift per donation. Members can get both a member card and a thank you gift. The member card is automatically sent to pledgers at the corresponding pledge level. You do not have to select it from the menu. If the caller is interested in a thank you gift, use the drop-down menu to select the appropriate item. Please note that some items must be paid for with a one-time credit card donation. Items such as event tickets and items marked with asterisks are not eligible for ongoing monthly payments. If necessary, you may change the method of payment to match the associated thank you gift. Please also let the caller know that thank you gifts are shipped within 4 to 6 weeks of the first pledge payment. Next, ask, "May I have your first and last name?" Type the first and last name into the field. Then ask, "Have you donated to WFSU before?" If yes, click the Search Name button to look up their account. This will open a pop-up window with a selection of matching names. Find the appropriate name and ask if they are at the address listed. This will help confirm that we attach their pledge to the correct account and helps us confirm the caller's current address. If you do not find a matching account, first confirm the spelling of the first and last name. If the name is typed correctly, you can also search by address. Once you find the correct account, click the Select Record button to populate the online donation form. If you still cannot find the account or the caller has not donated, get the donor's address, telephone number, and email address. All of the fields noted with a green diamond are required to complete the form. If the caller does not wish to provide their telephone number, first assure them that we will only call if there is a question concerning their pledge or method of payment. If they are concerned about telemarketing, simply put "Do not telemarket" in the comment section at the bottom of the form. If they still do not want to give their telephone number, simply type a series of 5s in that field. Email addresses are encouraged but not required. We do not sell donor information. Email is used for account correspondence and WFSU e-newsletters only. Then ask the caller, "Can we email your tax receipt?" Next, ask, "If time permits, may we thank you on air?" If they do not want to be thanked on air, check the "No, do not thank me on air" box. If they do not mind being thanked, no additional action is required. If the phones are not too busy, you can ask, "What inspired your call?" There is a character limit, so keep the comments brief. Then ask, "Did you hear fundraising on 88.9 News or 91.5 Classical?" If the phones are really busy, you can skip these 2 questions altogether. Finally, tell the caller, "Before I process your pledge, let me verify your information for accuracy." Make sure that you verify the pledge amount, thank you gift if any, and method of payment. This is your last chance to make any changes to the pledge. You cannot change or add anything to the pledge once you click Continue. After clicking Continue, you will be redirected to a secure credit card processing page. Enter the caller's credit card number, expiration date, and CVV security code. If you see a red circle with an exclamation point next to the credit card number, check the number with the caller. Before clicking the Submit button, confirm the amount being charged on the credit card. It cannot be undone after clicking Submit. If the card does not go through, you will be redirected to a WFSU webpage where you can click Try Another Credit Card. Or check the Please Change Mode of Payment to Cash and click the Process as Cash Transaction button. Once you see the Thank You for Your Pledge page, the donation is complete. If an email address was provided, the donor will get a confirmation within 10 minutes. They will also get a separate tax receipt by either post mail or email. Click the Next Pledge button at the bottom of the screen to go to a new pledge form. If the caller asks about a thank you gift or needs to make a change once the pledge is complete, Please write the donor's name, telephone number, and their request on the pad of paper next to your phone and give it to a staff member once you are off the phone. Once your shift is finished, please click Change User and log off. Thank you for supporting WFSU. We look forward to another successful pledge drive with your help.